1 2 it's your boy DJ Charlie Washed in the Blood, and today we're bringing you everything CHH in the non-CHH world. Now, this is for my Christian hip-hop DJs out there who might have made the switch from secular music to Christian music. Now, we're gonna have a lot of things coming your way in the near future about DJs who want to make the switch, meaning you gave your life to Christ and now you just can't be playing that crazy music at all your gigs and stuff like that. You know what I'm saying? You're starting to stand for something and you can't just be going for the okie doke. So back to the video right here. This small item right here is called a Bluetooth wireless receiver. This right here will change all your old power monitors and also ultimately give you a signal to go to your speakers via Bluetooth. Now, all you need is, it comes with this. I bought this off of Wish, and I think it was like $5. Now, this right here is a two-way 8-inch adapter. So all you have, and it goes right in the top. So all you got to do is just stick this in there. You know what I'm saying? Just stick this in the top. And then boom. Then you stick it right in the back of your speaker. Now, or you can stick it into your auxiliary cord. If you got an auxiliary cord in your car, you got an auxiliary cord in your mixer, you got an auxiliary cord in your any stereo receiver. This small device will hook up to anything that's Bluetooth, meaning your phone, your Bluetooth players, MP3 players, anything that's Bluetooth. It will then transmit the signal in here and then transmit it right to your speakers. So, you know, if you know like me, that adds value to you now, who you can play for. Now you can play your songs and evangelize and spread Jesus anywhere you at. If you in the car, if you at any of your family's house or anything like that, or if you DJing and your set goes out or anything like that, now you got a backup where you could just play music from your phone real quick, get your stuff together, you know what I'm saying, and regroup. This little device saved my life. I have 2 of them. I don't know, I bought them a while ago, so I don't know if they're still available on Wish or anything like that. But it's called the Bluetooth wireless receiver. I bought it off of Wish for $5. And it also comes with, I think, a instruction manual or whatnot. It comes with a little charger so you can charge it. By the way, this does not come with a battery. This is 100% rechargeable. So you need a rechargeable option when you out there DJing, playing your music, evangelizing. That's what comes in the box. Also, what you could use is you could hook this up, buy one of these, hook this up into anything on your mixer, or you could hook up one of these, an 1/8 inch to RCA. Now, sorry to my other people who watch this and don't have the faintest idea what this stuff is, but shout out to all the DJs watching, and we just gave you an option how you can change your old speakers into Bluetooth speakers and just keep rocking out with them. So you know what? That's the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all hit me up, www.bumpfm.com. You know what we're doing. We made a whole radio station in Providence, Rhode Island, Christian music, and we just got people listening and enjoying. So that's the end. Deuces. Have a good night.